Good morning everyone. Today we will be studying about area. What do you mean by area? Area is the place that is covered by a thing. Okay, so this, if we are talking about perimeter, so we are always talking about the boundary, but when we are talking about the area, it means that we will cover the whole area, we will cover the whole part. Okay, so we will cover whole picture, that means that it area. So you have to learn now the new formula. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, and whereas area of square is equals to side into side. Okay, so these two formulas you have to learn. Okay, so the first question is calculate the area of the following shapes using the formula of area of square and a rectangle. As you can see that the side is same 6 meter 6 meter, so it means that we are talking about square here. When the length and breadth is same, it means that you are talking about square. So I have already written the formulas. Area of square is equals to side into side, that is S into S. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, that is L into B. So side, if 6 meter is given, so area of the square will be side into side. So 6 into 6 is 36 meter square. This 2 that I have written, we read it as square. Okay, this is smaller than normal numbers, and this is the power of meter. Okay, so we read it as 36 meter square. If it will be centimeter, we will read as centimeter square. If there will be kilometer, we will read it kilometer square. In areas, we always write square. In perimeter, we don't write anything after unit. In area, we write square, and in volume, we write cube, that is 3. So I hope now next question, as you can see here also the length and breadth is same, 4 meter 4 meter. So it means that this is also a square. So again we will put the same formula, area square, and then we will be able to do the question. So this is your homework. Next question is your 60, the length is 60 centimeter and the breadth is 40 centimeter. So I have written here length is equals to 60, breadth is equals to 40 centimeter. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, 60 multiplied by 40, 6 4 the 24, this 20 we will write afterwards. 624 100 centimeter square is the area of the rectangle. Okay, here also we are writing square. 6 4 the 24, these 20 2400 centimeter square. Then afterwards again 12 meter 9 meter, 12 meter length and 9 meter breadth. So this is also rectangle, so we will use the same formula. So I have given you this homework. Now calculate the area of the following figures. As you can see here, 6 centimeter is given differently, and here also 6 centimeter is given differently, but it doesn't matter. You will add. As you can see, 6 plus 6 is 12 and 6 plus 6 is 12. So side is equal. Okay, so here it means that we have to find the area of the square only, and the side is equals to, say, length of the figure is equals to 6 plus 6, that is 12 centimeter. Breadth is also equals to 6 plus 6, that is 12 centimeter. So here area of the figure you can multiply. Even you will write length into breadth also, that will give the same answer, because length and breadth is same. You can write down the side into side also. It will be equals to 12 into 12, that will be equals to 12 into 12 is equals to 264, as I have done here. 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, 1 to the 2, sorry, no, it is wrong. So 12 into 12, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, 1 to the 2, 1 1 the 1, 4, 2 to the 4, 1. So 144 centimeter will be the area of the figure. Okay, so here I have given you, say, this is same question, so I have given you homework. I hope that you will be able to do this question, exactly copy of this question. Okay, then the next question, calculate the area of the following shape. A square of side 40 centimeter, quite easy, we have already done this question. So you can do this. Area is side is given 40 meter, we have to find the area. A rectangular length 16 centimeter and width is given 88 centimeter. So width means breadth. Okay, so here I am finding out the area for you. So area of the rectangle is equals to 16 centimeter, breadth of the rectangle is equals to 8 centimeter, area of the rectangle is L into B, that is length into breadth. We have to multiply. 16 8 the 128 centimeter square is the answer. So by this you will be doing till this work. You have to do your work. Okay students, I hope that you will be able to complete your work. Okay, so when we will start their classes, then you can ask the doubt. This much work you have to do today. Okay, bye bye.